Hello, everybody. This is Dr. Helen, and today I would like to give you some perspective on some very common American saying. So, English is my second language, and I have been long enough in the United States, so I understand how people talk. But still, some very common expressions sound a little bit funny or maybe even not make any sense for me. And today I was going to tell you about story. We know this expression, we come here and there is a zoo, right? So everybody knows what it means. You come and a lot of people at the store or on the parking lot, right? And we said that it was zoo here. And I was talking to my mom the other day, and I was translating, kind of talking definitely in Ukrainian with my mom. And I told her that me and my son, we are coming to the parking lot, and it was a zoo. And I continued talking. And a couple minutes later, my mom asked me, wait a minute, did you go to zoo? What kind of animals? What kind of zoo? Is it like traveling zoo or what was that? And I say, wait a minute, what are you talking about? What do you mean by zoo animals? So for her, with me translating this like word by word, right? So in her mind, she was thinking about zoo with animals, right? But I was just talking that it was a lot of people, a lot of cars on the parking lot. And I realized that if we translate word by word some very common expression, it sounds funny, or maybe people don't even understand what you're talking about. And I start thinking about that. And another very common expression came to my mind, which every time I hear, I'm thinking, and it does not make sense for me. And what is that expression? And the expression I'm talking about, it is everybody and his brother was here, right? Or came, or everybody and his brother was watching a football game or something, right? So everybody understands. So it was everybody was watching. But for me, uh, when I analyze this language, right, I'm analyzing the sentence and it does not make sense. If everybody was here, everybody means his brother, right? But people still say everybody and his brother. So I think it's kind of funny. It's kind of funny expression. And I was thinking, do we have something like this in Ukrainian and Russian languages? And I remember a story when I was working at university in Kiev. We had students from different countries who were practicing and doing his diploma or research, different things. And one time I found a paper with phrases in Russian and translation in Czech language. It was done by a student from Czech Republic. And I look at these phrases, and it was really funny what she was translating, interpreting. And one of the expression was left bus, right? So if you hear left bus, how it can be right or left bus, right? It's just a bus or the bus. But it was expression left bus. And definitely for the foreigner, it was hard to understand what people mean by left bus. But everybody else understood what left bus means. And left bus means we have public transportation in Kiev, so it's a little bit introduction. And people stay on the bus stop, and sometimes every bus has a number, right? So bus come with a number, and people just choose the right bus, and they know where they go. But sometimes, especially in the evening, or maybe it is rush hour, from nowhere, bus comes without any number, and a driver will yell, "Okay, I am going over there. Everybody pays cash." So he will not accept people have like a monthly pass. He say, "I'm not taking monthly pass or day pass. You pay cash." So people who wants, they jump in this bus, and you just pay directly to the driver, and it will take you to the destination which driver announced. And everybody knows that this type of bus, it's a left bus, but not foreigners, right? So when they heard this expression, they need to understand. And I think we all use these common expressions, and every language, every culture has them. But for people who don't speak particular language, it can sound very funny. Like for me, everybody and his brother. So I would like you to write down another English expressions. Maybe you can think about which sound strange or funny for foreigners. So please write down in the comments your favorite expressions, and maybe I can make another video about it, or maybe I will think about other common expressions in my native language, and I will tell you. So it was Dr. Helen, and please stay safe, healthy, and happy. I will see you in a week. Bye now.